Hi, welcome to Quick Bite. What can I get you today?
Can you repeat that?
Sure thing. What would you like to order?
Um, can I get a burger and price?
Okay, got it. Anything else?
No, thank you.
You're good. So, just pull around and I'll have your order ready. And here's it. Hey, it's you again. How's it going?
Yeah, I noticed you had a hard time understanding me last time, but I will maybe try my best to let you understand my English. And wait, I'm having hard time to get English words, and English is my not second it's my second language.
Oh, I get it. I know it's not easy learning another language, but you'll get to it. So, what's your first language?
I speak Tagalog. I'm from the Philippines. That's my first language.
Wow, that's cool. Maybe you can teach me a word or two.
Oh yeah, okay. Wait, you can try salamat. Salamat means in English it's thank you. You can try that later if I uh, done with the order. Okay.
Salamat. Did I say it right?
Yes.
Okay.
Good.
So, what's your order?
I'll get the previous order. The fries and burger.
Okay.
I'll get that.
Okay.
I like burger here. That's why this is my
Oh,
2 days here and straight previous order. You have
Okay.
a good order burger here.
okay.
Okay.
Gotcha. Yeah, that's also my favorite burger.
Okay.
Okay, so here's your receipt. Thank you.
Salamat.
Salamat.